Throwing dirt on my old name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on the pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desire. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time.
Alright, I secured the bag. I got my new computer.
You also have a good day.
You too.
You're a real ass woman and I like it, I don't wanna fight. Look, you know I'm a rider, nothing left to hide.
Final Cut Pro. Try it for free. Try Final Cut Pro free for 90 days. Download now. Okay. I'm excited. Alright, so we're about to get ready to head out. This is my outfit for today. I'm gonna wear my juicy sweatsuit real quick, get ready and get in the Uber.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning, Edney. Edney? Edney?
Yeah. Actually, it was.
We're going to IHOP after this, okay?
You paying the bill?
I'm paying the bill.
Okay.
I got some cash.
Okay, baby.
Get that cash money.
Give me some of that cash.
Yeah, right here is good.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Be careful, guys. Be careful. Ouch.
Hi.
He's so sweet. Alright, guys. We are here at Home Depot. It's the first class of the year. Oh, hell no. It's 8:46. And there's all these people. Yeah. You guys want to wait or... Yeah, I don't know if we're going to stay for this. This is insane today. You guys just want to get it and do it in the house? This is a chaotic day today. Is it okay we could just take it with us today?
You're just gonna have to give me a few once it starts.
Alright, no problem. Yeah, we've always been here at this time and it's never been this packed, so...
It's too much.
Yeah.
But I do have more tables today.
You have what?
I have more tables today than.
Yeah, we got more tables. You'll have a spot.
How about we wait, and if you don't want to?
Okay, no problem. It's just never this packed and we got kids and people don't know how to act sometimes, so you know. Oh, he did a sign.
Talk to you for a second.
Birthdays. Oh, wait, say it.
I hope you find someone else. It's really packed today. Y'all can see.
And never
It's
been
really
back
packed. It's
before.
never been this packed before. At 8:40. What time is it? Let me see my phone.
I don't even know what time it is.
It's 8:53. But we've been here since like 8:40 out here. So yeah. It's never been this packed so early before.
How do you know how to vlog?
Because I learned from your mom. See how many people? Jesus Christ. But I think there's more tables.
So they have it in a bigger area this time. And you guys, it is so freaking packed. They have the piggy bank right there. So they're setting up. It is insane today. It's 9 o'clock. Thank you. Go in the back, Jace. Sorry. Sorry. Hello, good morning. This child is stressing me out. Look at him. Look at him. Stressing me out. But yeah, you guys, that's the end of this vlog. See you next month. Tune in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.
Alright guys, so you have to go to homedepot.com first. Make sure you put in your nearest store and your zip code so that your store is already set. You're going to scroll down and hit view upcoming kids workshops and register. And yes, I just love these kids workshops. So before you hit learn more, this is every Saturday, every first Saturday of the month. These are the upcoming workshops for the upcoming 3 months. So we got the Valentine's one, basketball, and a globe planter. So we're going to click on a kids workshop schedule for the whole year. Look at these upcoming kits. I really hope I could get one for February because I think that is just so cute. For March, Jace really wants to do that one already. And he's really excited because he loves basketball. But you guys have to take your children and do these workshops. Like, it's just so cool. I'm hoping we could do all of them this year because I just genuinely love taking Jace to do these. And I love that it is free. So yeah, you guys, this is exactly how you are going to sign up for your kids. And it's for kids up to 12 years old. So yeah, you guys. And if you don't want to stay, you can also just go in, pick up a kit, and leave. And they also have the free aprons. So this is how you're going to register. You're just going to click on register, put in all your information. You just got to make sure your store is already set from the beginning. And yeah, that's how you sign up for the class. I try to tell y'all all the time, but for those that keep asking, this is exactly how you sign up. See you in the next vlog. Bye.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary.